Andersen Storm Doors with Rapid Install 1 and SmoothControlPlus close system are more than just beautiful. They're faster and easier to install than any other storm door on the market. They come pre-assembled in left and right-handed configurations. Plus, there's no cutting required, and all you need are a few basic tools. To see all the steps required and important safety information, read and follow the installation guide found in the box. Begin by resting the orange spacer, which is located on the bottom of the door, onto the sill. Then, lift the door into place. Then, pre-drill into the mounting surface through the side rail holes and secure with screws. Next, remove the orange installation clips by loosening the screws, then retighten. Now install the handle set. The lock case is already pre-installed within the door to make installation faster and easier. Use the rain cap extender if there is a gap above the rain cap. The SmoothControl close system comes pre-assembled in the storm door. No closer installation steps required. Simply adjust the closing speed and your installation is complete. Andersen Storm Doors with Rapid Install 1 and SmoothControlPlus close system. Installation has never been easier.